Hello everyone, myself Surya, second BCom of KCS Kashinanar College. Today we see one topic and a sum in a transportation problem in Elements of Operation Research subject. Let's see what's the meaning of a transportation problem. The transportation problem is a special type of linear programming problem where the objective constraint is minimizing transportation cost of a given commodity from a number of sources or origins to the number of destinations. Each source has a limited while each destination has a demand to be satisfied. The cost of shipping from source to a destination is directly proportional to the number of units shipped. Types of transportation problem. The transportation problem can be divided into two types. One is balanced transportation problem and the other is unbalanced transportation problem. Balanced means where the total supply is equal to the total demand. Unbalanced means the total supply is not equal to the total demand. Basic feasible solutions. There are different methods available to obtain the initial basic feasible solutions. There are Northwest Corner rule, least cost method or matrix minimum method, Vogels approximation method or penalty method. Now we see one sum in Vogels approximation method. First we need to know what are the methods that involved. First we need to find the difference between two least cost in each row and column. They are called penalties or extra cost. Among the differences, choose the largest cost. If there are two largest cost, then choose the largest corresponding to the least cost in that row or column. Make allotment to the chosen least cost cell. The allotment should be minimum of the availability and the requirements to the cell. Repeat the steps 1 to 5 for the remaining part of the transportation table. Repeat the procedure until all the availabilities and the requirements are exhausted. Now we see one problem in this method. First, we need to check whether the problem is balanced or not. If the total of sum of all the total supply from sources O1, O2, O3 is equal to the total sum of all the demands from destinations D1, D2, D3 and D4, then the transportation problem is balanced. If the problem is not balanced, then the concept of a dummy row or a dummy column to transfer the unbalanced problem into balanced. Here the supply value is 100, 250, 150, that equals 500. Then the demand value is 90, 160, 200, 50, that's equals 500. Then it is a balanced transportation problem. First step, we need to find the difference of each row and columns. In O1 column, 20, 25 is the minimum number, then the difference is 5. Likewise, O2 row, 29, 26 is the least number, then the difference is 3. In O3, 30, 31 is the least number, the difference is 1. In column wise, D1, 29, 30 is the least numbers and the difference is 1. Like in D2, difference is 1. D3, difference 2. Then D4, 20, 30 is minimum 2 numbers and difference is 10. Among the differences, choose the largest value. 10 is the largest value, so we choose D4 column. Then we need to allot 20 in 50 and 100 supply or demand values. Here the lowest value is 50 demand value. Then we need to allot 50 in 20. Then we need to cancel supply value 100 by 50. Then we vanished a D4 column. Then the remaining part of the transportation table that need to write, and we also find the differences of two least numbers, that is 5, 3, 2 and 1, 1, 2. 5 is the largest number. We need to select O1 row and the least number is 25. Then the demand and supply value are 50 and 160. The least is 50, so we need to substitute 50 in 160. Then the remaining value of a demand is 110. So we need to cancel that O1 row and exhaust. Then the balanced transportation table is written. for 29, 26, 25, 31, 33, 30, 37. Then the difference is 3, 2, likewise 2, 7, 2. 7 is the largest number, so we need to select the D3 column, and the smallest value is 26. So we select 26 for 250 and 110 for demand and supply. Here demand value 110 is the lowest number, so we allot 110 in 26, and we subtract 110 in 250. So we need to exhaust that D2 column. Then the transportation problem is likewise this, and 29, 35, 31, 37. Here the difference is 6, 6 and 2, 2. 6, 6 is the largest number, so we need to select that minimum number of the each row. Here there is a 21 and 33, 31. 29 is the least number, so we need to select the 29. Then allot the 90, 140. So we allot 90 for the minimum number. So we cancel 140 for 90. 140 for 90. Then we vanish that column, D1 column. Then the balance transportation 35, 37. 37 is the largest number, so we need to allot 150 in 37 and subtract from 200. That is 50. So exhaust that O3 row, and the balance is this. Here both the demand and supply value will be the same, which will be the further allotted in the remaining cell 35. Here the minimum transportation cost of the allotted number and the supply and the demand values: 2050, 2550, 2990, 26 110, 3550, 37 110, and the values are 1000, 1250, 2610, 2860, 1750, 5550. Here the transportation cost problem is value is 15,020. Thank you.